Ever pondered on the magic potion for glowing skin that might be sitting right in your kitchen cabinet? Yes, we're talking about tea, a staple in most households, but did you know it's not just a comforting beverage, but also a secret skincare ally? Today, we're delving into the 5 best teas that could be the key to unlocking your skin's natural glow. First on our list is green tea. A powerhouse of antioxidants known as catechins, green tea is a champion in battling skin-damaging free radicals. It also contains a mighty warrior named Epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, which fights DNA damage from UV rays, thus preventing skin cancer. Green tea is a superhero in reducing inflammation and redness, leaving your skin clear and radiant. Coming in at number 2 is chamomile tea. This calming brew is not just for a good night's sleep. Chamomile is packed with antioxidants that help boost skin health. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe skin irritations, redness, and even eczema. This tea is like a lullaby for your skin, soothing it into a state of calm and glow. Our third contender is Rooibos Tea, a South African herbal tea rich in alpha-hydroxy and zinc. These elements are not just good for the skin but are great. They aid in improving skin health by reducing wrinkles, fine lines, and other signs of aging. Rooibos tea is your skin's time machine, taking it back to its days of youthful glow. Next up, we have spearmint tea. If you're battling acne, this could be your secret weapon. Spearmint tea reduces the production of excess sebum, the oily substance that clogs pores and leads to acne. It's like a gentle, natural astringent, helping your skin fight off acne and shine in its clear, natural glow. Last, but certainly not least, is white tea. This is the least processed tea and has a high concentration of antioxidants. It helps your skin resist oxidative stress that speeds up the aging process. It's like a shield, protecting your skin from damage and keeping it healthy and glowing. So there you have it, the 5 best teas for glowing skin. Each one is a unique blend of benefits, from fighting off free radicals, soothing irritations, reducing signs of aging, to preventing acne. These teas might have been humble guests at your tea parties, but it's time to invite them into your skincare routine. Give them a try and watch your skin thank you with a natural, healthy glow. Now, the secret to glowing skin isn't as steeped in mystery, is it?